Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also some nice safety features with this car, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. Some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Done under 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.